we're all loosened up. Blah. Coke Zero to the rescue. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. I'm so excited you're here for this video because I have not filmed an Amazon favorites in years. And it's crazy looking back at my original OG Amazon favorites and seeing, oh my god, those are still my favorites. I still routinely buy this thing again and again, and then seeing how the list has updated over the years. It's a vibe. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This list is amazing. I didn't even realize it until I was scanning over it right before I started filming. But everything on this list I use, I kid you not, damn near every day. I'm not even, I wish I was exaggerating. I feel like, am I okay? That's how much I love it. I didn't even realize that. I was like, wait a second, I use this every single day. I'm going down to the list. I'm like, this is nuts. There's so many great things on here. There's items for the home, for your closet. There's style things that I absolutely love. There are bath things. I'm a bath girl. I need to sit in the tub and stay there to feel at peace. I love bath times. And I'm hoping that when I'm done, I'll remember things. And I'm like, oh wait, like this is from Amazon and I can't live without it, and make a whole nother volume too. Because I don't even think everything is on this list. Okay, let me jump into my absolute favorite, go-to, can't live without, use every day, favorite things of all time from Amazon. Okay, first things first, I'm the realist. I'm just kidding. No. Okay, the first thing on this list is something that I'm not kidding, I do pretty much use every single day. Living in Austin changed my life. I never thought I would ever go without a bra before I moved to Austin. Moved to Austin one time, and it was like, bras? Set them on fire. Now what I do is just live in these pasties. I call them my alien titties because they make the whole nipple like, okay, do you remember Lady Gaga in that alien outfit? She like rolled up to the Grammys in an egg and then she performed it. It was just like this alien skin, weird looking, and it just looked like this. That's what, okay, I'm not selling these. Hold on. Listen, my imagination is a little crazy. That's what I feel like my boobs look like. Hold on. That's what I feel like my boobs look like because you can't see the nipple. It's just like skin. It's like someone went and like removed my nipple. I'm not selling this. I'm not selling this. They're called Nippies Skin. This is what the box looks like. Exclusive silicone is invisible and comfortable. Yes. Ultra thin edges. Blend seamlessly. No ridges or bumps. Yes. Hypoallergenic. The best skin safe medical grade silicone. Yes, I have super sensitive skin. Matte finish. Won't reflect light or flash through clothing. Yes. Okay, what I love about it is it's skin inclusive. It comes in 3 shades right here. I'm the lightest shade. It also comes in 2 sizes for A cups and then a bigger size for D cups. And I have both sizes, so I'll show you. And these are reusable up to 40 times. I'm pretty sure I've done up to 50. Bigger is better. Nippies are designed to cover more than just your nipple. The larger surface area creates a smoother look. I am literally obsessed. I'm actually subscribed. It's a subscription service, so in 40 days or something like that, they send me new ones. These are my bras. These are old, so we're not gonna judge how dirty they are. We're not gonna do that. They need to be thrown away, but I wanted to keep them for this video so y'all could see the sizes, okay? I'm judging myself, so it doesn't even matter if you're judging me because I'm already judging me. But this is what they look like. They come in this box, and I keep them in the box. I just put it in my little bra drawer. Here they are. They've got these plastic, they're so dirty, I'm not. They fit on these plastic covers like this, and ta-da! This is the range of skin that they cover. I feel like Mean Girls. And I like them because, yeah, the more skin it covers, the more seamless it is. And these are the smaller ones, so let me prop them up side by side so you guys can see. Alien titties! Can we say tits on YouTube? Whatever. It's a genre. If I ever say it like that again, I want you to reach to the screen and slap me. So we are in, yeah, we're in like the clothing whatevers. So there are Skims dupes on Amazon. For some ungodly reason, they are not Prime, or maybe like one color will be Prime. So it'll show up on Prime, but then it's not every color, it's just one. So I have a whole haul coming in. Right now I only have this bodysuit, let me show you. But this is Skims dupes. It's got a thong, but I'm with the least amount of fabric there. I'm a thong girl and I don't have any problem admitting that. Anyways, this is Almere. It's double lined, seamless, smooth. It feels like butter. It's so nice, you guys. I cannot wait to have the actual entire collection. This is like such a great dupe. I think this one itself was 30 bucks. Size small, it fits perfectly, and I love it. It's so comfortable. Then, I love this bodysuit so much. I have 4 of them. So this is kind of like Skims, but it's not Skims. It's a completely different brand. It's called Euphoria. I've had this for about 4 years, kid you not. I got the olive green color, and it's so cute. It's got like a little bit lower cut on the side, but I got olive green, this rust coppery color, black, of course, and white. I love this white bodysuit. It's double lines. It's got an extra layer right here, so your bra does not show through. All of these feel incredibly soft. I love it. I love it. I have 4, okay? And I get asked on these all the time. They're so flattering on. Okay, next is Amazon gold jewelry and silver jewelry, actually. I get a lot of my jewelry from Amazon because it's lightweight. I've had real metal earrings that are just so heavy, and I don't want the split ear piercing holes when I'm old. You guys know what I'm talking about. I don't want that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want that. So I like earrings from Amazon because they're lightest metal. I have these silver ones. I have skinnier silver ones. I have these gold ones. I have bigger gold ones. I have ear cuffs from Amazon. This is from Amazon. I shower in this and it doesn't bleed or like ink or anything like that. I bathe in it. I work out. I never take this off. This necklace is on Amazon. I've got rings from Amazon. It's like there's so many gold jewelry and accessories from Amazon that I love because if I lose it, it costs me 14 bucks. So I'm not gonna cry about it. You know what I'm saying? I just prefer it. I prefer it. Okay. All right, next, you guys, I am a bath queen, okay? I'm a bath fanatic. I prefer baths over showers. You can at me, I don't care. It's my peace place. It is my relaxation station. Who says that? Makes sense. I love baths. It's where I find my peace. Like a good glass of wine, bubbles everywhere. I've got the tray, which is on this list, and I'll show you. My Kindle or a movie, probably like The Vampire Diaries. Let's be honest, I'm so obsessed with Damon. My bath bombs, bath bubbles. I've got candles lit. Like, it's the ultimate me time. So this favorite right here is one of the OGs. This is definitely in the original, and I am so disappointed to show you that there's only 2. I would have sworn there was more. But it comes in a pack of 12, okay? And I will put a picture like right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's called Life Around. Is it Zangles or is it 2 angles, fam? What do you call it? Because I've been saying 2 angles, but now I'm like, wait, is that a Z? Girl, I don't know. But let me tell you something. If you want your bathroom to smell like a hotel room, you just leave this open. I did that one day and I walked in my bathroom and I was like, oh my God, it smells like a spa in there. My favorite bath bomb, which is not in here, is the black one. It just satisfies my villain itch that I don't have. I'm really not a villain. But if I was, my bath water would be pitch black. And that's what it does. You drop it in there and your bath water is black, like your soul. It's so satisfying. I have been a fan of these for years. They're so much better than Lush. Lush is like $12 for a bath bomb. This is, I want to say $25 for 12, so they're $2 each. It's such a steal, and it does leave your skin feel really, really soft. You smell really good. It's super freaking relaxing. Anyways, must have. Like, if you walk away with anything from this list, it better be these damn bombs. Next is this what you're gonna do is put me in focus. Okay, next is this bath pillow. First of all, it's memory foam. It's so comfortable. And then I love it because it's not cloth. Bath bombs or like anything can stain a cloth bath pillow, and it's nothing is grosser to me than pulling back my shower curtain and seeing this filthy bath pillow. It takes me out of my mood. I'm not okay with it. So this one's not cloth. Still memory foam, still super comfortable. Still has the suction little cups right here to stick to the back of your bathtub. It doesn't move at all, and it doesn't get dirty. Super easy to clean. This is a must. I love it. Next is my shower caddy. This thing is industrial strength. I like it because I have had, I want to say like 2 or 3 conditioner bottles, bath oils, like anything heavy that you can think of on this shower caddy, and it does not move. Whenever I moved from my Austin apartment to this apartment, the thing was a pain in the ass to get off the wall. It's amazing, and I love it because it comes in a pack of 2. I love that it's black, it's sleek, it doesn't stain or get dirty, it doesn't rust or bleed anything, it stays in place, it's so nice. I love this shower caddy. Definitely a favorite of mine. Okay, since I am a bath queen, you guys already know I'm going to have a bamboo bath tray. This is amazing. I've had this one for I think a year now. My friend Paige bought it as a housewarming gift when I moved to my apartment in Austin. She's the sweetest. It has a wine glass holder. It holds it in place, so like if you accidentally bump the tray, your wine glass is not going to go anywhere. It also has flip up stand for your iPad or your book to lean up against. I took mine off because I don't like that it's gray. Y'all, I'm telling you, there's a visual aesthetic that goes on when I take a bath. Visually, I just took this off. It's so easy to remove and then easy to put back on, and I just wanted it to look pretty. Okay, let's move on to my favorite things in my bedroom. Okay, y'all. The way I just said y'all, did you hear that? Wow! Really dug back in my roots there, didn't I? This comforter from Amazon, life changer. When I tell you, I think I looked at 30 comforters. I read through hundreds of reviews. I am the type of girl, like I am freezing cold when I first hop in the bed. In the middle of the night, wake up and I'm hot. I am sweating. I need to like rip the comforter off of me. It's the most frustrating thing in the world. I am hot and I'm cold. I am unsatisfied the entire night. I'm awake all night trying to figure out which temperature my body wants to be, but this comforter has changed all of that. Go to the link. Look at all the reviews. It really is as good as everyone says it is. It's this feathery comforter, and of course it's got the ties on each corner for my duvet. It's not too light, it's not too heavy. It really is cooling. It's the first time in my life that I've actually been at perfect temperature with a comforter. So good. Once again, another item that I use every day. Speaking of items that I use every day, my canopy bed is from Amazon and it was only $200. It's so sturdy. It's been through 2 moves with me. I love this thing. I love the aesthetic. It would be kind of dope to do like a little sheet for it with this bed though. I might try that just for fun. Go read a book in there. Like I was a kid again. How is that not exciting? Is it just me? I will say though, give yourself a nice man. Ask a neighbor, phone a friend to tighten the screws because I tightened it as best as I could, but I've got the upper body strength of a kitten, okay? So it wasn't that tight and it was just like squeaky. The guys that helped me move tightened the screws for me, and all of a sudden that frame is sturdy as hell and it doesn't squeak and it doesn't move. You just gotta have like someone with really nice strong hands to tighten them for you because I couldn't do it apparently. Moving on to the patio. These 2 chairs are from Amazon. I waited for them to be back in stock for about 2 months. And when they were, I was like snatched. It's so, like I just took them up. These seat cushions are so thick and luxurious. It's like your butt is like sinking into a cloud. The finish of the wood is so pretty and they're so comfortable, they're so big. The seat itself is huge. It swallows me whole. And that's what I want. I want to be swallowed whole. I like oversized everything. The chair that I'm sitting in is actually super oversized. It's an office chair. Anyways, these 2 chairs, if they're on a wait list or if they're out of stock, I would recommend just signing up for a wait list or checking it once a month and waiting for them to come back in stock because they are so worth it. And it was like 2 for $400, I think. 2 chairs for $400, so $200 each. It's a pretty good steal. And I put them together myself. Thank you. Last thing on my list, another thing I use every day because your girl doesn't function without coffee in the morning. It's just not a possibility and it's not ever going to happen. You can wish, you can dream, you can scream, you can fight, but it's never going to change. This is also another thing that's never going to change is I will always choose iced coffee over hot. I will drink hot coffee, but I will always, if there's an option, I need it cold. Okay, hyper chiller. This thing has changed my life. Who recommended this? Oh, no. Tony Sebdelise, girl, I love you. I will snatch you up and put you in my pocket. I'm obsessed with you. She mentioned this on her Amazon favorites, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna change my life. It has. This is a little device. You put it underneath your coffee maker. The hot coffee goes directly into it, and within a minute, your coffee is cold. And then you just put it in a cup of ice, add your milk, fruit, whatever, go about your day. Best part about it is that it's dishwasher safe. My life is forever changed. Another thing I use every day. Okay, now moving forward. This ice cube tray is litty. It's so lit. Y'all, I didn't realize that I needed this in my life, and so I just decided to be bougie one day and make myself coffee cubes instead of using water cubes. It takes me probably like 2 hours to finish a cup of coffee. I know, I am crazy. I don't care. I set it down and then forget it. I walk around and then I'm like, oh yeah, coffee. And then I'm like, oh yeah, coffee. It takes me that long. I'm not a chugger. I am a marinator. I am an enjoyabler person. I don't know what it is. We know. I'm in therapy. Anyways, it didn't bother me because I didn't know until after I did this. But there was one day where I was just like, what would it be like if I actually made coffee cubes with this ice cube tray? Like I usually use this tray to make little chocolate candies, like chocolate peanut butter cups. But I was like, what if I put coffee in this and actually froze it and made coffee cubes? shitty of me to do that to myself because now I can't go back. It's so good. And my life has changed. So definitely, once again, recommend this silicone ice cube tray. Yeah, I definitely think there will be a volume 2 because I already added one. As always, like and subscribe. I am so happy that you're here. I got more videos coming, of course. I love being your quarterly entertainment, bruv. So follow me on Instagram, watch my stories, TikToks. I love making TikToks. And my podcast is coming. Be on the lookout for Revel Culture Podcast. I cannot wait. I'm kind of nervous, but you know what? You never know until you try. And you're never gonna do something unless you just start it. So I'm just gonna start. Thank you guys for watching. You're my favorites. I love you guys. You bring so much joy to my life. And I'm so glad you're here. I love you. Till the next time.